We're going to make a delicious chicken noodle soup using the leftover roasted chicken carcass. We're going to pick all the good meat off the carcass and add water to it in a big pot, and then we're going to cook it and simmer it on the stove for about 20 minutes. We're going to cut up all the veggies for the soup and the chicken too, and use some garbanzo beans. Then we're going to saute our veggies in a big Dutch oven pot. Meanwhile, our broth is done, so we're straining it all off. We can easily make a second batch by just adding more water to the bones. Remove all the fat. Back to the pot, add the seasonings and the broth and the noodles, and cook those about halfway. Add in the garbanzo beans and cook them another 10 minutes. Add the chicken and bring it back to the boil. Now we're ready to plate our dinner. You can ladle the soup into the bowls. And then you're going to add some fresh parsley. Voila! We like to serve it with whole grain crackers and a big tossed salad. You can also finish it with a little bit of red pepper.